Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 13 of the Wera advent calendar. Last time we opened the 1x13 1/4-inch socket. Now let's see what's behind number 13 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the 5x25 hex bit. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 14. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.